DEFQON!
Day one! Bring it on! Let's go!
Oh, we
Same
got the
one?
ugly one.
Which one?
The one with nothing on it.
Oh wow! Hello neighbours.
Hello.
Yeah.
How boring.
It's alright, we'll paint it tonight.
It is day one of DEFQON. We are late. It's already 6 o'clock, which means Sound Rush is starting right now. The stage is right there. Excited?
Yes, yes. It's been a year.
Home. I'm gonna cry. I can hear fireworks. Holy fuck.
How do you like it?
Weekend Warriors.
In a fucking nation.
Nothing inconsistent.
Put those hands together. Whoever you are, welcome back home, everybody. It's great to see you once again. Once again, we are here to let everyone know who we are and how we do this at DEFQON.1. DEFQON, you know where the party's at, right here in the gathering. You're at the right place at the right time. About to drop rock. We about to drop.
Forget about Monday to Friday. I'll be working like a slave.
It's been a few hours. Brennan Hart's playing on the blue stage right now. Decided to go for a walk because it's super hot in there. Super hot in there. We're gonna go pick up our merch before it closes, then head over to Indigo and then Black, and then that's around for the night, I guess. We'll see.
What are we doing?
Picking up our merch because we didn't pack any clothes for this trip.
I'm special.
So we just waited like for ages in the click and collect line, collected like $300 worth of merch, and then decided that we want to go buy more. So here we go again.
After one long year, the holy grounds have been reawakened for the gathering of the harder styles. Now, it's time to let the power of our tribe light up the skies. For tonight, we are all part of a ritual that marks the start of a legendary journey, honoring a symphony that is carved into our legacy. Our quest has begun. This is the tribute. Tonight,
I'm absolutely hopeless at vlogging right now because it's been like a month since my last festival and I already took my makeup off, so it's like midnight. We're back in the tent.
Midnight Mafia.
I'm wrecked. It's only day 1. It's only half a day and we're already fucked.
It's not even day 1, yeah.
It's day 0.
It's a warm-up.
It's literally the warm-up.
Still a DEFQON Eve.
First night was so much fun. I feel like shit though, so I kind of took it easy, but what was your favourite set? Active Rage. And Sound Rush. Sound Rush, oh.
Sound Rush cute, Active Rage, just nuts.
Insane. And then we ended up picking up our merch and then we waited at the UV stage because everyone was waiting there, and turns out there was actually a massive like fireworks like intro like opening to the whole festival, so that was
the
sick.
highlight.
That was honestly the highlight.
Yeah.
Like the production, like the way they've laid out the festival this year is like a million times better than they've ever done it before. It reminds me of EDC, the road, I guess, the path from UV to the black stage reminds me of like Daisy Lane at EDC. Like everything's just lit up, there's lasers pointing all the way down on both directions. And then during the fireworks show, they actually had fireworks shooting from every single tower all the way from the black stage up until UV, like one by one. It was one of the best things I've ever seen. But yeah, that's a wrap on probably my worst festival vlog this year so far. But we have 3 full days of DEFQON coming up and I'm so excited.
Bring on day 2.
Yay, position. Good night.